So the following is taking a prone, non-weight bearing scan with the structure sensor. Simply ask the patient to put their knee up on a chair or assessment table in this case. Maneuver the foot into a subtalar neutral position as best as possible. Ask the patient once again to relax their foot, not to flex or anything. Stand back approximately 1 meter from the foot and make sure that the sensor is parallel and in line with the foot before you press the scan button. When you select the left foot, you're going to see a rectangular box on screen, just making sure that the foot is completely highlighted red before you press scan. And now slowly moving laterally around the foot and very slowly moving medially around the foot. You don't need to capture the dorsum aspect of the foot, just the plantar surface, and most importantly, the top posteriorly on the calcaneus and Achilles, moving laterally and medially until everything is highlighted or spray painted white on your screen. Press done, the scan will render, and you'll be able to save your scan in the app.